Xindun Power, known as Excellent Photovoltaic Enterprise and High-Tech Enterprise every year, the company has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. The products have passed C, IEC, TUV, and third-party testing reports. Xindun is mainly engaged in pure sine wave inverters, off-grid inverters, hybrid solar inverters, three-phase inverters, solar generator, solar power system solutions, and related products, uninterruptible power supply. Xindun can also accept customized product appearance and special voltage, power, and other requirements. Xindun is a production-oriented enterprise. The production area is more than 7,000 square meters, 8 production lines with more than 100 technical and production workers. There are not only sufficient inventory to achieve the fastest delivery, but also the most powerful technical force and production equipment to provide OEM and ODM production. Xindun is now looking for solar agents or power agents worldwide. Welcome to contact us and share new energy green wealth.